Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Avery Siva. So actually today I came up with an PA amplifier like a Bosch make public address amplifier. So LBD 1938 will be the model number of it. So this is how what include inside the inside view. So massive components and all you are looking. So this is an Bosch make P amplifier. So usually the P amplifier is main function, the primary function of P amplifier is to amplify the audio signal and make it to louder. It is an like a primary function of whatever all amplifier. So this is a one kind of amplifier. This is solid actually. This is solid amplifier. So and coming to the internal thing and the main thing we have received from the multiplex theaters and all. So this is from the theaters. They are use it for a BGM purpose, like a background music in the lobby and all. So there is no issue, there is no sound output reason we have received for a service, and we have done the restoration also already. So this is a last video of after the repair I'm showing the video, I'm making a video. And coming to the internal parts, so this is the main transformer. So this is a main transformer, AC transformer. You will get a AC. After that you will get a bridge rectifier. After bridge rectifier, after conversion of AC to DC, you will get a dual voltage capacitors and all to convert the dual voltage. So after that voltage will be feed here, and amplification sector, this is amplifier. NPN 10 transistor, PNP 10 transistor. So and here you will get a small one more transformer that will called a boosting transformer, line matching transformer. And you will get a input section like a small op amp and all, they have used input. So it's a small thing, and output sector, output. And here you will get a small relay for turning on the system and all, like if any protection happened it will cut off the input source. So this is a small thing. And coming to the thing, so application will be in the concert hall, like a sports areas, like a sports public speaker thing and all. And as well like for events and all. And at emergency notification and all, we can use it, this thing kind of system and all. And coming to the types, we have the PA system is like a tube amplifiers will be there. That's a old one. Tube, solid, and digital. Nowadays we are getting a digital also, but this is a solid amplifier. So I think nearly 18 to 20 kg is there. So this is what inside thing and all. So Bosch make Plena amplifier. So here you will get a dB thing and all, dB level and all, and small battery voltage and over it like a thermal thing and all. Battery voltage, battery thing means like a we can easily feed the 24 volts input also without AC power. So they have given a 24 volts here. So AC input, output, so input thing. So this is what the thing they have given. And direct input also we can give like 100 volts input also. So from the mixer or from the controller and all. So this is in transistor array thing and all. The transistor number of 10 transistor will be here. 10 transistor will be there. So if anyone requires any service related to any kind of amplifiers, like only we are into a premium only. So kindly support for that. Like we are into in a premium segment only. So kindly, if anyone requires any service related to any premium brands of AV receivers, so kindly do contact Dr. AV Receiver. Thank you and all. Bye bye.